Up to 60% off appliances and industrial. An extra 10, 20, even 50% off. Counting on the goodies. $20 must go this weekend to system. Already noticing the big pain in the ass. Doesn't even think we should. Everybody loves Raven. With Max at 10 on Blue TV.
Tonight, the latest on the spring storm making its way through Arizona. A Valley boy meets the first responders who gave him a second chance at life. And why proposed raises for some City of Phoenix employees is raising some eyebrows.
Well, I believe it's impossible. Now, weekly forecast.
Might be mid-May, sure doesn't look like it though. Check out the snow falling in Flagstaff today. Spring storm bearing down on the high country. Plenty of dark clouds in that area, just like we've seen here in the valley today. Good evening, Arizona. I'm Patty Kirkpatrick. In fact, we've seen a little bit of everything around the state.